Hey there, I'm garlb's my two cousins. The school's gonna start on August 23rd. I hope you're all ready. And I hope you don't live in Florida because there's a huge old nasty hurricane going to destroy us all. It's going to destroy us all. How do you girls feel about this hurricane that's coming in to wipe us all out and destroy us all? Breathtaking, isn't it? See, these girls are scared to death. You better buy evacuation tools like water and canned soup to feed yourself when there's nothing left. Oh no, it's you!
Hey there, I'm Bill. Nice to meet you all. Most hurricanes only have one eye, but I got two because I like having two eyes. I'm gonna cause lots of havoc and destroy everything in sight, and there's nothing you two can do about it.